The art of organizing caboodle for makeup. Welcome to this video on the art of organizing your makeup caboodle. Today, we will explore how to efficiently store your makeup in a caboodle, making it easy to access and transport. What is a caboodle for makeup? A caboodle is a portable organizer designed to keep your makeup products in one place. It has multiple compartments, drawers, and trays to help you manage everything from lipsticks to brushes. This makes it a perfect solution for staying organized, especially if you're always on the move. Versatility of caboodles. Caboodles come in different sizes and styles. Some have adjustable compartments, which can be customized for your makeup collection. Others are designed for specific products. Whether you have a small or large makeup collection, there's a caboodle to fit your needs. Benefits of using a caboodle. One of the main benefits of a caboodle is its portability. It's lightweight and compact, so you can easily take it with you wherever you go. The caboodle also helps you stay organized by providing specific spaces for each product. This reduces clutter and makes it easy to find what you need. Additionally, a caboodle protects your makeup from damage and spills during transport. And with customizable dividers and trays, you can organize your caboodle to suit your personal preferences. Types of caboodles for makeup. There are different types of caboodles available. Train cases have multiple compartments and are great for extensive collections. Multi-tiered organizers provide layers for easy access to your products. Travel-size caboodles are compact and perfect for travel. Rolling trolleys are larger and mobile, ideal for professionals. You can also choose from a variety of materials and designs to match your style. How to organize your caboodle. To get the most out of your caboodle, start by categorizing your makeup into face, eye, and lip products. Use the compartments and trays to separate each category. Adding dividers or inserts can prevent your products from moving around when you travel. You can also label compartments or use color codes to quickly find what you need. Essential items to include in your caboodle. When setting up your caboodle, make sure to include the essentials. Start with a foundation that matches your skin tone. Add concealer to cover blemishes and dark circles. Include a blush for a pop of color on your cheeks. Have an eyeshadow palette with both neutral and colorful shades and mascara for your lashes. Don't forget a range of lipsticks, from nudes to bold colors. Quality makeup brushes are essential for flawless application. A gentle makeup remover is also important for the end of the day. Finally, consider using a makeup organizer to keep everything in place. DIY Caboodle Ideas. If you love personalizing your makeup storage, try these DIY Caboodle ideas. You can decorate the exterior with stickers, rhinestones, or fabric. Inside, design custom compartments to fit your makeup collection. Create a themed caboodle based on your favorite colors or patterns. For an eco-friendly option, use recycled materials to build your caboodle. You can also make portable mini caboodles for specific makeup looks or touch-ups on the go. Maintaining and cleaning your caboodle. To keep your caboodle in top condition, wipe down the exterior regularly to remove dust and makeup residue. Check the hinges, latches, and drawers for any wear and tear. Sanitize the interior compartments to prevent bacteria. Rotate your makeup products to avoid expiration and use drawer liners or dividers to keep things organized and secure during transport.